Official Paul, Merry Christmas, everyone, and a very warm welcome to you. We are so grateful to God for His mercies and for how far He has brought us this year. So, today I'm excited to share with you a mouth-watering, flavorful deep fried chicken recipe that's perfect for this festive season. It's super easy to make, and trust me, the outcome is amazing. And I'll guide you step by step, so do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. So I'll start by prepping and cleaning my chicken. First, I'll transfer the chicken in a bowl and then I'll add some lemon juice. You can use salt water or vinegar. That works perfectly. So mixing it or adding lemon juice will help remove any off aroma from the chicken. And I will use my knife to carefully scrape off any unwanted skin. Yeah, this part is really important. If you don't scrape it off, you will still see it after it's cooked or fried. Yeah, I hate this part the most, so do well to clean that unwanted part. This step takes some time, so I'll clean and rinse the chicken off camera before moving on. After cleaning the chicken, I'll use a tissue to clean any excess water, and once that's done, I'll begin seasoning. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of green marinade, pinch of salt, chicken seasoning, mixed herbs, paprika, and then some powdered peppers. Feel free to use your preferred seasoning to suit your taste. So adding green marinade to deep fried chicken is a brilliant idea, especially for infusing rich, bold flavors into the chicken. And this reflects Ghanaian cooking tradition of prioritizing well-seasoned and flavorful dishes. So I've mixed everything thoroughly, and afterwards I'll add 2 eggs. And the eggs will help create a beautifully enticing brown crust, so don't skip it. I'll mix everything again until well combined, and then I'll cover the bowl with a cling film and let it marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. But if you prefer, you can leave it overnight to save time by prepping it a night before. So if you're still here and watching, then I presume you're enjoying this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe and follow me on all socials at Up Close with Abna. And if you're new to this channel, a very warm welcome to you. Moving on to the next stage, I'll start by preparing the coating. In a bowl, I'll add 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, I would say, and I'll add 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and I'll mix everything together and add the same seasoning I used earlier for the chicken. Like I said, feel free to use your preferred seasoning, and that's perfectly fine. So once it's all combined, I'll just set aside. Now, I was supposed to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of the flour mixture out before adding the seasoning, but I missed the step. And to adjust, I'll just simply mix 1/3 cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'll combine it. After 2 hours, I'll take the chicken out of the fridge, remove the cling film, and I'll gradually add the flour mixture in bits while mixing. And this will form a thick batter to coat the chicken perfectly. Now for the last stage, I will take each piece of chicken and dip into the flour mixture, making sure to coat it generously. And as you can see, I'm adding as much flour as I can to get that perfect crust. And I will repeat this entire process until all the chicken is coated off camera in order to save time. So if you're still with me, I truly appreciate it. This is the result: beautifully coated chicken ready for frying. Next, I'll preheat my pan and add enough oil for deep frying. The oil needs to be very hot before adding the chicken. This part is really important, so do take note. I'll carefully place the chicken into the oil and fry on medium heat for 12 minutes. Remember, don't lower the heat or the chicken will absorb too much oil and the result won't be great. Also, avoid overcrowding the pan so the chicken fries evenly and beautifully. After 12 minutes, this is the outcome. Golden, crispy, and absolutely delicious. I remove the first batch and set it aside. Wash it and because I don't want to waste so much time, I'll be frying the second batch off camera. So try this recipe this festive season, and I know you would love it as much as everyone did. And voila, here's the final result. It didn't last long. They finished within a blink. It was so good. Trust me, that good. And they all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And if you ever try this recipe, please leave a feedback. You can find me on all socials at @Tabuna. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.